الطهور شطر الإيمان. Purity is a part of faith. Brothers and sisters, its importance cannot be overstressed. What are the rules and regulations of wudu, tayammum, ghusl and menses? I'm Bilal Ismail. To learn all about purification and more, join me on the series A to Z of Purification.
Learn why it is important for Muslims to purify themselves in accordance with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's commandments and His Prophet's instructions in A to Z of Purification.